Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you how to make this adorable little treat holder. It is made with the envelope punch board and it's super simple and you can put any kind of treats in here. So let me show you how to make it. So what you need is your envelope punch board because that's going to make it super simple. On the punch board it tells you exactly what size to cut your paper, how big your card is, or in this case how big we want our envelope to be, and then it tells you how to score it, what the measurements are for scoring. So for this particular project I wanted it to fit one of these little Ghirardelli chocolate squares, so I decided to make the envelope 3 by 3 so that I had a little bit of play in there. So what the envelope punch board does is it tells you how to cut your paper to make a 3 by 3 size envelope. So I'm going to use some paper from the Candy Cane Lane Designer Series paper pack. And to make a 3 by 3, all I need to do is look on here and it tells me to cut my paper to 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. So that is what I have done. And then it also tells me how to score it. It tells me to score it at 2 5/8. So I'm just going to take out my little scoring tool, which is on the side here. And I'm going to put my paper up on the top. There's a measuring guide up here, so it makes it super simple. So I'm going to line it up with the 2 5/8. Then I'm going to punch the top. And then I'm just going to score the side. Then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to line up my score line that I just made with this guide, or this little, I guess this a little guide that's on the tool here. So you just line it up, you line up your score line with this, and then I punch again, and then score, and then you just kind of keep turning it, punch, and score, and then punch, and score. Alright, so that's all you do. You can eliminate those little pieces. So then I have my little envelope, or in this case what I'm using to put my little treats in. So then you just fold on all the score lines. Okay, so now that we have everything folded, now I'm actually going to just use some glue dots to glue this together. So I'm just going to add a little glue dot on the edge of my envelope there so that I can keep that section together. Then I'm just going to add another glue dot on this piece, fold that up. Whoop, actually, gotta grab my glue dot first. Fold that up. And now I have my little treat holder. And like I said, it's just big enough to fit one of those chocolates in there, so it's perfect size. So once I have it like this, I can either leave it up, I can leave the flap up and decorate it that way. So I just have a piece of stitched edge ribbon. You can use any ribbon that you have. And you can fold it over. So I just put a little bit of tear and tape adhesive on the one side of my ribbon, and then I just brought my ribbon over and secured it like that. Then to decorate it, you can decorate it however you like. I decided to use a 2-inch circle cut from real red cardstock so that it matches my designer paper. And then I also cut a little circle with the new stitched framelits. So I cut a little smaller circle, so it's about 1 3/4 inch roughly. So I'll adhere those together. Okay, so we'll put a little bit of snail adhesive on there, and we'll put these together. And then I'm going to add my little Santa hat, and this I punched out with the the little jolly hat builder because I thought it was going to be kind of a cute little embellishment for this. And then basically all you have to do is tape this on there, and that's it. So I put a little bit of that double-sided tape, the Terran tape adhesive on here, and then just stick my Santa hat on there. And that's it. So like I said, you can leave it open like this, or you can actually, instead of putting the hat on this side, you can put it on this side so that you have a little place to tuck and fold to kind of keep it closed. So you decide which look you like the best. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.